Animals paid every single time quit within seconds once the rewards stopped. The ones paid unpredictably kept going for hours, and that unpredictable rule is exactly what your phone's pull to refresh runs on. Pull your screen down and let go. Most times, nothing. Sometimes, something you wanted. That gap is designed. It is why your phone is so hard to put down. One study logged every touch, 2,617 a day. And here is the puzzle. The machines that grip hardest pay off least reliably. Why would unreliable be stronger? In the 1930s, a Harvard scientist built a pen that steps up one notch every time an animal presses a lever. Steep means fast. Flat means it's stopped. At first, every press paid. His food pellets were made by hand, and he was running out, so he paid only once a minute and let every other press go unrewarded. The animals kept pressing anyway. Now make the price fixed. Every 10th press pays. Scientists call that rule a schedule. It works in bursts, a run to the payout, then a rest, because the next one is far away. Now hide the price. Still 10 on average, but it could be the very next press. The rests vanish. This gives the fastest, steadiest work rate of the standard schedules. Same 500 presses, same 50 payouts, same food. With a fixed price, it stops after every win. With the price hidden, it never stops. Nothing changed but how predictable the payout was. Now the payouts stop. Forever. One animal was paid every single press, the other unpredictably. Which one gives up first? Guess before I tell you. The reliable one tries harder for a moment, then quits almost immediately. 2 unpaid presses, and it is somewhere it has never been. The unpredictable one keeps going, and going. So that is why unreliable wins. Our best explanation: long empty runs were normal in training, and everyone ended in food. It cannot tell a dead machine from a dry spell. The gambling industry got there first. In 1984, a patent moved the odds into software behind 3 familiar spinning wheels. What you see stopped being what you are playing. A modern machine spins up to 800 times an hour. It hands back most of what you feed it, and still takes about $60 an hour. The same rule is sold by the pack. Pay, open, and sometimes the rare thing is inside. Most top-selling phone games sell them, and almost all of those are rated for children. The pull-down refresh gesture was invented in 2008 by Lauren Brichter, who later called it addictive. That is a designer describing their own trade. Honest testimony, not an experiment. The schedule is real. Whether it makes anyone ill is another question. Rats run this way for 6 weeks, worked hard, and showed no sign of addiction. What it reliably makes you is persistent. So the emptiness is not a failure of the machine. It is the part that works. See the rule, and you can turn it on yourself, on the habits you actually want. Thank you for watching. Our small team works tremendously hard on every one of these animations. Following, subscribing, and sharing is what keeps Baucis Studio alive. There is a new video every day. See you tomorrow.